What's up, traders? Welcome back to the channel. We're Generation Pips, and this is our weekly Forex analysis video. As always, we're going over some of the best trading setups we got into this week. Make sure you guys subscribe, hit that bell for regular updates. I'm Eli. Grab your coffee. Let's go ahead and hit these charts. All right, so AUD USD on a weekly time frame, we can easily see that price has this level of resistance up here, and we're now approaching that on the weekly time frame. Let's break this down to the daily to get a closer look of opportunities. So on the daily, we can see that price broke this area of resistance that rejected once, twice. So this week, I'm going to wait to see if we get a nice pullback back into that area to go long. And on a 4-hour time frame, this is pretty much what this is going to look like. Here's our area of interest. This week, we're going to simply just wait for price to pull back into this area. Once that happens, we'll take a long position, and that will be AUD USD. The next pair we're going to look at is another AUD pair. We got AUD JPY in a weekly time frame. We have this level of resistance that's been sitting here, and price just rejected with a long bearish wick pin bar. So we're going to look at this to potentially go short after we were pushing to the upside. Price met this high, fell down below, came back to retest this area. So we're going to see if there's any shorting opportunities going into this week. So drop down to the 4-hour time frame. We're going to see that price, this is the daily down here at the bottom. We can see that price failed to hold itself above this weekly level and fell back down. So going into this week, I'm going to see if price can close below this weekly, pull back, and get an entry to go short back down to that daily support. And that's going to be AUD JPY going into this week. All right, so the last pair we're going to be looking at is going to be Great Britain Pound CHF. On the daily time frame, we can see that price had support in this area once, twice, 3 times before using it as resistance going to the downside. We have broken above this area of support, and we've come back to this area to come test. This is going to be our area of interest to potentially go long going into this week. So now we're on a 4-hour time frame. This is what we're going to be looking at now that we're at this area of interest. We're going to look to see if price can give us some type of rejection in this area and then go long. That can be a morning star, big bearish, bullish engulfing going off the 50 or 200 MA. But that's going to be Great Britain Pound CHF going into this week. Well, thank you guys again for tuning into this week's analysis video. For more content, follow us on Instagram at GenerationPips. Remember to subscribe and hit that like button if you really enjoyed the video. And also drop your comments below. We love hearing from you guys. Stay tuned for next week's analysis. And as always, happy trading.